Hello, welcome. Today's sketch is going to be this little cafe, Beach Hut Cafe. It's located in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. And a cousin of mine, it's one of her favorite little cafes. So she asked me to do a sketch for her. And this is going to be like a little practice. I'm going to do hers a little bit larger. So let's get started. Here's some supplies. You're going to need one of these little beginner watercolor little trays and a few pens, a marker, and some brushes. I'll go over the exact ones as I'm using them while the video is playing. And also a watercolor sketchbook with some real nice paper. The one I have is 140-pound cold pressed. I got it from Amazon, and it's a really nice pad, really thick paper. So I'm going to start off with the Faber-Castell. It's the 0.1 small fine point. I penciled out some of the sketch before, so at least I have an idea. And some people are really good and they just go in with pen. I've done it a couple times, but today I just kind of wanted a little bit more guidance. And those first few lines, I like to make them a little messy, but I think they're a little too messy. So when I go back in and do the next sketch on that larger format, I'm going to make them a little less squiggly. Wasn't my favorite. Putting in a little bench here. In the photo, it's behind the car, so I'm not putting cars in. The nice thing is when you're doing your own sketch, you could do whatever you want. You're going to have to leave a lot of detail out because there's just too much to put in for such a small size. This is like 5 by 7. And when you're doing bushes and trees, just a little bit goes a long way. I love doing lampposts too. Those are awesome. I made them a lot bigger, so they're just kind of a fun little extra. Lettering's not my favorite, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Little brick walls on each side. All right, gonna start the watercolor. So I'm starting off with a number 10 brush, dipped it in the water, doing a little bit of shadowing with a mix of purple and blue, and then a little bit more purple. And then a little green. Just doing a few colors. It just keeps it simple. I think I do 4 colors in this one. And, leave a lot of white. Get some splatters in there. But leave some white. Leave some empty space. I'm going to get the bricks in there. Just pop in a couple little colors here and there. Now I'm going to do a little fine detailing with a 2/0 brush, doing the lettering with a little bit of red. A little more shadowing in that tree and underneath those lamps. And now I've picked up the larger Fabre Castile, is that how you pronounce it? The 0.5. And I'm just going to do a little bit more outlining of some of the, a little sketching, a little shadow hatching there. Make those lamp posts pop. Love them. It's not the prettiest building, but isn't it funny how you can take something so simple and really kind of snazz it up, especially doing the Beach Hut Cafe sign like that because it made it bigger. And that's the thing. You could do little rocks down in the street. And then do a little shadowing with a Tombow N55 marker. This is not waterproof, so you want to do that last. And this is it. Beach Hut Cafe in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Have a great day. Bye for now.